My friends, we are back with another video on Claude, specifically Claude skills. And I have four skills over the next four videos, one each video, that will help you level up your real estate business. Skill number one is a client relationship manager. Skill number two is the listing content skill, basically a content manager skill. Then the other one is your open house follow-up skill to help you bring back those dead open house leads. And then a weekly um, more of it less a motivational coach, but all four of these skills are downloadable with the link down below. You can download them all at once if you'd like, or come back for the weekly videos. I'm going to have four videos for the course of 2 weeks that will show you how to implement these skills, what they do, and how to roll them into your real estate business. So right now, let's jump into Claude, specifically Claude Desktop. If you don't have the desktop app, you're going to need the desktop app. So go ahead and download. I can put a link down below if you need it. Just drop a comment, Claude Desktop app, and I'll help you navigate to that. Otherwise, let's jump into Claude, and I'm going to show you how to upload these skills and then how to run these skills in Claude to help you level up your real estate business on these four specific topics. And if you need help doing this specifically for your business, your niche, your market, whatever, there's going to be another link down in the description to book a call with me to get my free training and everything like that. But that will also get you a 1 hour strategy call with me, myself, live on Zoom like this. And we can dive in. I'll have you share your screen and we'll run through and get you all dialed in on your skills, getting your Claude brain set up as far as so Claude knows who and what you do and who you are and all your brand equity and all that stuff is inside the Claude skill already, so you don't have to keep telling it. And then how to get a brand avatar in there, how to download the market data and put that in the project files to get everything squared away so you know exactly how you're supposed to implement all of these things into your daily business. Because the one thing I notice is that people that use AI in their real estate business, real estate agents that use AI, the struggle is that they get so pegged into using AI, they don't actually go do what makes them business. And that's ultimately the conversations, right? So we need to be creating content, create conversations. We need to be shaking hands and being out in the public in our local neighborhood, talking to business owners and people at coffee shops and restaurants, letting them know who you are, what you do, and why you do it the best. So let's jump into Claude and get down to business. So I just wanted to make sure that you all understand that this is on the desktop app specifically. So make sure you have this app specifically downloaded on your computer. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you in this video and not the next three. I'm going to show you in this video only how we upload a skill because you can mass upload all four of these skills. Like I said, the link's down in the description. Otherwise, you'll basically just need to follow along. So what we're going to do is you can click on this, just create a new chat. It's very, very simple. You can do it chat and cowork. It doesn't matter. Now hit the plus sign and skills. And then what I want you to do, you can see I have some already in here. I have a morning skill, open house skill. This is a skill creator that's already in there. You can just simply have a conversation with Claude and let them know exactly what you're trying to accomplish, and Claude will create a skill for you. Otherwise, you can see I have my open house follow-up skill already there in listening to content. So what you'll do is you'll manage skills and then you'll add a skill. So like I just said, you can create, you can even record your screen to help Claude understand what you're trying to accomplish. Otherwise, upload a skill if you're going to use the link that I will provide you. Now you'll need a markdown file that will have the skill name. That's what you're able to download right now from the Google Drive folder that I showed you. So what we'll do is I'll go ahead and upload this skill, the client relationship manager. So let me just click this and we'll hit client relationship manager skill. It's going to upload that. And there it is. It's really that simple. And if we click on this, it'll tell you exactly what this skill is going to do. Now, how do we use this skill specifically? Well, it's very, very easy to do this. So all you do is you go slash, and then that will bring up your skills that you already have. And then we want to go in and click on the skills. So for this example, we're going to use the client relationship growth skill. and then you hit start. And it's going to ask you a few questions on um, the information it needs in order to create this skill. So for each contact, it helps to include whether you have on hand, whatever you have on hand. So let's just say that, for example, you can either download all these into a CSV file and give it a full spreadsheet, or you can just say, John is my client, and from a family friend. Let's see here. I talked last with him 2 months ago, and he was thinking of selling in the future. All right, so now it's going to run through this skill and give you some examples and things that you can do to reach out to John. So here's a message. Now, if you had a full list, a full CSV file, it'll give you for each individual client, and you can even have it go and give you a breakdown in a Google Drive folder if you have your Google connected and what to do. So referral asks, not yet, with only friends and family, past clients thinking of selling on a file. I don't have enough relationship depth. So this will be very beneficial if you upload your entire database, but just for this example, I wanted to show you, and it'll give you a nice little break the ice, how to connect back with John. And this will work for any other folder. So this is a very short clip. I know it's very short, but I wanted to make sure you understood how to upload a skill and what this skill does for this specific one. The next video will be another short video on the next skill, which is your weekly content. I'll see you on that video.